Hello dear students, in this video we are going to see some tricks on definite integral. Look at the definite integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sine square x upon 1 plus 2 raised to power x dx. We evaluate this. So options are these: pi by 4, pi by 8, pi by 2 and 4 pi. So within a very short method we can do it. Look at this, numerator is what? See, the integral is of the form, minus a2 plus a, even function. See, this is what? Even function. Sine square x is even function, so it is even dx. We can remember it like this, upon 1 plus b raised to power odd function. See, it is an odd function. This is odd function. This is even function. Then it is equal to integral 0 to a, only this numerator, that is even function, and dx. So if we apply this same over here, so this can be easily solved. It will be 0 to pi by 2. This even function, it is even function, and this is raised to power. Here b raised to power what? Odd function. So it is odd function. This is what? Odd function. Then it is 0 to a, only 0 to a, even function dx. So we apply the same here. 0 to a, that is 0 to pi by 2 sine square x dx only. And this sine square we can integrate by taking 1 minus cos 2x, which is integral 0 to pi by 2 1 minus cos 2x upon 2, that is sine square x dx. Integration of 1 dx, that is x, and integration of cos 2x is sin 2x upon 2. This 1 by 2 is outside the integral. 1 by 2 integral of 0 to pi by 2 1 minus cos 2x dx. Now integration of this is x and integration of this is sin 2x upon 2. So it is x minus sin 2x upon 2, limit 0 to pi by 2, upper limit is pi by 2, 1 by 2 pi by 2 minus 1 by 2 sine of 2 times of pi by 2. So it is 2 times of pi by 2 will give us sine pi, and it is 0. And for lower limit, this is 0, this is 0. So no need to write the lower limit, that will be 0. This term is again reduced to 0. Pi by 2 and this 1 by 2, it is pi by 4. So in a very short we can get the answer, that is pi by 4. Now our claim is what? This is our claim, that minus a2 plus a, even function, upon 1 plus b raised to power odd function, that is equal to what? 0 to a, even function. 0 to a, even function, that is this dx. So we choose the same, that is this even function 0 to a. 0 to a means 0 to pi by 2, this even function, and we evaluate this only. The question is value of minus pi to plus pi cos square x 1 plus a raised to power x dx is this. Look at this numerator, it is cos square x, which is even function. It is a even function, minus a2 plus a, and 1 plus a raised to power odd function. It is odd function. So we can write it as integral 0 to a. So 0 to a means what? Pi. and it is cos square x dx only. That is even function. This only even function cos square x dx, and that is equal to integral 0 to pi. Now this cos square will write 1 plus cos 2x upon 2 dx, and integration of that 1 by 2. Integration of 1 is x, and integration of cos 2x is sin 2x upon 2. Limits are 0 to pi. 0 to pi. For lower limit, both the terms will reduce to 0. So only we substitute upper limit. Upper limit is pi. So 1 by 2 pi plus 1 by 2 into sine of 2 pi it is, and minus 0 for lower limit. Now this is again reduced to 0. So only this is left, that is pi by 2 will be your answer. So pi by 2 is the answer. So within very short, by using this, that minus a2 plus a even function divided by 1 plus a raised to power odd function. So that gives us 0 to a even function dx. First one is minus 2 plus 2 x square 1 plus 5 raised to power x, that is a raised to b raised to power x. Suppose minus a2 plus a, this is what even function 1 plus b raised to power x dx. So as we have this integral minus a2 plus a even function and upon 1 plus b raised to power odd function. So that gives us integral 0 to a even function dx. So we apply the same over here. This is what even function, and 5 raised to power, that is b raised to power odd function. So this first integral is 0 to 2 even function, that is x square dx only. X square dx only. So easily we can evaluate this x cube by 3. X cube by 3, and limits are 0 to 2. So that it will be 2 cube, that is upon 3 minus 0, that is 8 by 3 will be the answer. Easily we will get the answer. We attempt this second one also by using this even dx 1 plus b raised to power odd minus a2 plus a, that is 0 to a even dx. So the integral will become 0 to pi by 2 cos of x, even function is this, b to the power odd function, cos is even function, so it is cos x dx, and that integral is sin x. Limits are 0 to pi by 2. Upper limit is pi by 2 sin pi by 2 minus sin 0, and that is give sin pi by 2 is 1 and this is 0. So your answer will be 1 here, and here answer will be 8 by 3. 8 by 3. Our claim is this minus a2 plus a e raised to power even function dx 1 plus b raised to power odd function, that is 0 to a even function. So how it comes? Minus a2 plus a even function. So that we can split into minus a2 0 plus 0 to a, and here in the first integral, this integral we consider as I1. So I1 minus a2 0 even function dx 1 plus b raised to power odd. So here we substitute to change this x is equal to minus t. Suppose we substitute x is equal to minus t, then dx will be minus dt. What will be change in limits? Minus a will be what? Plus a, and this is 0. So new limits will be this, minus a will be plus a, so plus a to 0. This is what even function in t. So e1 of minus t will be what? Plus t only, e1 t only. So it will be e1 of t function, and dx will be what? Minus dt upon 1 plus b raised to power odd of minus function. Okay, odd of minus t will be minus odd t. So it will be minus odd. In terms of t it is. Now this minus sign will take in the outside the integral, minus of a to 0 e1 function and dt upon 1 plus b raised to power minus odd function. Then this minus sign and here a to 0, we interchange the limits. So we interchange limits and will get I1 is equal to, interchanging limits 0 to a e1 function dt upon 1 plus b raised to power minus of odd function, that is 1 upon b raised to power odd function. So that will be, after simplifying this, we will get I1 is equal to integral 0 to a this b raised to power odd into e1 dt upon this b raised to power odd will be here, b raised to power odd plus 1, and this in terms of dt, so it is definite integral, will write it what? Dx. Now this I1 we add here, this is our integral I, this is our I1 is reduced to this, I1 is changed to this, and here we write I is equal to I1 is this 0 to a b raised to power odd function, b raised to power odd function into e1 dx upon 1 plus b raised to power odd plus this another integral 0 to a b raised to power odd function, b raised to power only odd function, even function dx upon 1 plus b raised to power odd. Now if we add this, then even function dx 1 plus b raised to power odd, so again it will be, after adding this, we will get integral 0 to a b raised to power odd function plus 1, and taking this even function common dx upon denominator be again b raised to power odd function plus 1, and which is getting cancelled finally, and we will be getting here 0 to a even function dx. This is the proof of this. So we will remember this, that minus a2 plus a even function of dx 1 plus b raised to power odd, that is equal to this even function 0 to a only. Remember this integral. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.